Transform your porch with stunning cement railings. Welcome to our channel where we explore stunning cement railing designs for your house's front porch, transforming it into a stylish and secure space. Cement railings offer durability and elegance, making them an excellent choice for homeowners seeking to enhance their front porch appeal effortlessly. One popular design idea is the classic balustrade style, featuring symmetrical columns and a timeless charm that adds sophistication to any porch setting. For a modern twist, consider sleek, minimalist cement railings with clean lines. This design complements contemporary architecture beautifully. Incorporating intricate patterns and textures can add a unique touch to your front porch, making your house stand out in the neighborhood. If you love nature-inspired elements, opt for railings with organic shapes and motifs, blending seamlessly with your outdoor environment. Curved cement railings introduce a sense of movement and fluidity, creating a welcoming and dynamic entrance to your home. Add a splash of color to your cement railings by using colored cement or decorative inlays, bringing vibrancy and personality to your porch. For a rustic look, consider railings with a rough-hewn finish or incorporate stone accents for an earthy, inviting appearance. Mixing materials like wood or metal with cement can create stunning contrasts, offering a blend of textures and styles to suit your taste. Don't forget about lighting. Integrated LED lights in your cement railings can enhance visibility and create an enchanting ambience at night. Your front porch can become a masterpiece with the right cement railing design, reflecting your style and ensuring lasting beauty and safety. Thanks for watching. If you found this video helpful, please share it with your friends and families.